Hook midnight to 0:15. 50% of businesses are using AI tools to automate tasks. That's huge. AI is changing the game. You're probably using some already. But are you using the right ones? Let's find out. Setup 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Comfy UI just hit $500 million valuation. Creators want control over AI media. That's why these tools matter. They're giving you that control. You'll be more efficient, more productive, and ahead of the competition. Let's dive in. We've got 7 best AI business tools. You need to know about them. Now. Notion 1 to 230. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It's like a superpowered notebook. Imagine you need to organize projects. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. It's free, or $10 a month. Perfect for entrepreneurs. You'll save time, boost productivity. Get more done, faster. Notion is a total game changer. Notion continued 1:30 to 2:30. With Notion, you can create notes, databases, even build a wiki for your team. It's so versatile, so powerful. You'll wonder how you lived without it. Notion integrates with other apps. Makes your workflow seamless. Try it out, you'll see. It's a total no-brainer. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is AI-powered content generation. It creates content in minutes. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of 2 hours, Jasper does it in 10 minutes. It's $29 a month, but trust me, it's worth it. Jasper is perfect for marketers. You'll create more content, faster. And it's high quality, engaging. Jasper is a total time saver. Jasper continued 3 to 4 o'clock. With Jasper, you can create social media posts. Even entire books, if you want. It's that powerful. Jasper uses AI to understand your tone, your style, your voice. It creates content that resonates with your audience, with your brand. Try Jasper, you'll see. It's a total content revolution. ChatGPT 4 to 5:30. ChatGPT is conversational AI. It's like having a super smart assistant. Imagine you need to research a topic. Instead of 3 hours, ChatGPT does it in 15 minutes. It's free to try, and it's amazing. ChatGPT is perfect for researchers. You'll get answers fast. And they're accurate, reliable. ChatGPT is a total knowledge bomb. ChatGPT continued 4:30 to 5:30. With ChatGPT, you can ask questions, get instant answers and insights. It's like having a genius in your pocket. ChatGPT understands natural language. It's conversational, it's intuitive. You'll love using it, I promise. ChatGPT is a total game changer. Canva 5:30 to 6:30. Canva is graphic design and collaboration. It's like having a superpowered design team. Imagine